ABT presents A1 Level Conversations.
Lost at the airport. Questions and answers to find my bag.
Hello, everyone. Today I tell you my story at the airport. It is about a bag that I cannot find. I arrive at the baggage claim. I look around. My bag is not there. I walk to the information desk. I ask, "Is my bag in the office?" The agent says, "No, it is not in the office. Please wait a moment." The agent checks the computer. I ask, "Is my bag on the same flight?" The answer is no. It is not on the same flight. My bag is still in another city. I feel nervous, but I stay calm. Then I ask, "Is my bag arriving tonight?" The agent smiles and says, "It is safe. It is on the next flight. It is arriving tonight." Finally, I relax. My bag is not missing anymore. It is on the way. The questions help me. The answers give me peace. So remember, at the airport, questions are important. Is it here? Is it safe? Is it lost? The answers are clear. And step by step, the bag is not a mystery anymore.
Now, let's practice. In the description section, you can find the link of the material for this audio. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask. Leave it in the comments. We'll be happy to help you. For extra material or tips, don't forget to visit our website or our fan page on Facebook. That's all for today. If you enjoy it, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content like this.